Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to sell stickers on Redbubble so you can turn your digital art into a passive income stream in 2026. Stickers are consistently the best-selling items on the platform because they are affordable and easy to collect, making them the perfect entry point for any new artist looking to build a brand. The most important step happens before you even log in, and that is preparing your artwork for a high quality kiss cut finish. You should always design your stickers on a transparent canvas and export them as PNG file so the Redbubble printer knows exactly where to cut around your design. I highly recommend creating your artboard at 280 by 280 pixel with a resolution of 300 dpi. This ensures your design looks crisp on everything from a small laptop decal to a massive extra large wall sticker. A professional trick is to add a bright temporary background layer in your editing software to check for any stray pixels near the edges of your art, because even a tiny speck of dust will result in an accidental white border that ruins the final look. Once your files are ready, you should log into the Redbubble dashboard and click on the Add New Work button. After uploading your PNG, you need to scroll down to the sticker section and click Edit to choose which finishes you want to offer, such as matte, glossy, transparent, or the newer holographic options. For holographic stickers, keep in mind that any white areas in your design will actually appear as the shiny rainbow material, so you may want to adjust your colors to take the full advantage of that effect. You should also check the sticker pack option if you have uploaded a single file containing multiple small designs. Make sure each element has at least a small gap between them so the cutting machine can separate them properly.